The concept of Cartesian product of two sets can be extended analogously for n tuples. We see A1 is a set, A2 is a set, A3 is a set, An also a set. So A1 Cartesian product A2, Cartesian product A3, Cartesian product An is called the Cartesian product of n sets. The element, once again, let A1, A2, A3, An be n sets. Then the Cartesian product, then the set A Cartesian product A1 Cartesian product A2, Cartesian product A3, Cartesian product An is called the Cartesian product of n sets. The element of this set can be in the form x1 came from A1, x2 came from A2, x3 came from A3. In this way, xn came from An. It is an element of A1 Cartesian product A2 Cartesian product An. So this element called n tuple element. If R the real set, then this set can be shown in the form of straight line called real line. But R is a real set, we take another real set making Cartesian product. This set can be written in this form of cellular form xy such that x and y both are in the set real. Represents a Cartesian coordinate plane or called R2. It is my R1, it is my R1. My point P here, the element look like xy. X can be measured from origin. They are perpendicular to each other. Measure from origin towards x-axis. And y can be measured from origin towards vertical manner, that is y-axis. It is our x-axis, it is our y-axis in this form. If we take A1, A2, A3 be three sets, therefore A1 Cartesian product A2 Cartesian product A3 is a set. I write x, y, z such that x is in a set A1, y is in set A2 and z is in set A3. The elements x, y, z are called ordered triplet. If we take the real set R and making the Cartesian product with three real sets, we got R3. It represents a space of dimension 3. Extensively, we have 3 dimensions. Let P, X, Y, Z be a point here. X, Y, Z, such that these X, Y, Z elements of the real set R. Consider the real set R in this form. Another real set in this form. Another real set in this form. We got my positive x-axis towards me, positive reals towards right, positive reals towards Z. This is the plane. As it is my point P, x, y. So this point P represents the points P projected on xy plane. xy plane. And this point becomes x 0, 0. We draw the perpendiculars. And got this point is 0, y 0. Another perpendicular here, we got 0, 0, z. In this way, we sketch our geometrical concept of a particular point in 3-dimensional geometry R3, in 3-dimensional space R3. It can be